The defense could rest on Wednesday in the double murder trial of Kylr Yust.
Before then, they plan to call more than a dozen witnesses, including 2 people today who claim they may have seen or heard from one of the victims the day she went missing. Sarah Plake has more from court.
2 witnesses testifying for Kylr Yust defense team said they may have seen or heard from Kara Kopetsky the same day she went missing. Security video captured the last images of Kopetsky walking out of Belton High School on May 4th, 2007. A former classmate says she called him that night.
It could have been 11:30 at night, could have been 2 o'clock in the morning, I don't know.
And you spoke with Ms. Kopetsky?
Briefly.
She asked you for a ride?
Correct.
Deborah Heflin, who lived near the high school at the time, testified she may have seen Kopetsky walking that same afternoon.
But the reality is you can't tell this jury that that was Kara Kopetsky on that day, can you?
Yes, I knew. I didn't know at the time it was her, but after seeing the news a few years later, I knew it was her.
Also in court Monday, but only speaking before the judge, was Billy Bays, a man Yust's defense team says could be another suspect in Kopetsky's death. Yust's attorneys say Bays told someone else he was involved, though he repeatedly denied it under oath.
Mr. Bays, did you ever tell Mr. Stauch that you disposed of Kara Kopetsky's body?
No, ma'am.
Did you ever tell Mr. Stauch that Ms. Kopetsky was placed in the trunk of a car?
No, ma'am.
Did you ever tell Mr. Stauch that her body was disposed of in a rural area?
No, ma'am.
The man Bays allegedly confessed to will testify on Tuesday. Then the judge will decide if the jury will get to hear Bays' statements. The defense plans to call 16 witnesses on Tuesday and may even finish up on Wednesday.